last section of this course, we're going to talk about cash flows. Again, we do this in much more depth and detail in the other courses. But if you look at your workbook, you see a 2-column T account. In the upper left-hand corner, you see a T for time. In the upper right-hand corner, you see a CF for cash flow. Then you have 4 rows. The first row in the left-hand column says 0. That's the beginning. Next to it, it shows $100,000. If you want to make this note in your book, that's money you pay out. And we call it technically is cash out at time period 0, which in this case is $100,000. In the second row, you see a number 1 and then a 1,000 positive. That means in year 1 or time period 1, you received $100,000. Next row, in time period 2, which is year 2, you paid $2,000. That's why it's negative. And in time period 3, you can see 2,000 plus 110,000. What that means is in the final year of ownership, you received the cash flows of 2,000 plus you either sold or gave away or otherwise had valued this asset, which came in at $100,000. What this T account represents is what I call the investment life cycle, something we talk about more in the other courses. But this is the cash flow sequence that I'm now going to show you how to enter on the HP 10B2.